Hey guys, recently I have started learning Blender and here's how it is going so far. So this was my first project. Well, it's not obviously not completed, but this is what I had done so far for my first 2 days of trying out Blender. I figured out the mirror, so there's no vertices here, but there are vertices here. So like you can, if you move, for example, this vertice, it will stretch out on the other side too. Took me a very long while to figure that out, but um, it was still it was worth it. It made uh building much easier and I guess fun. So on to the rest of the car we go. Alright, so here is the rest of the body. If you noticed, the front wing at the front here is gone because I wanted to make the car in Roblox have like a damage model, so when you crash it, the front wings comes off, and not the and it just stays there. So I wanted to make it look cool, I guess you could say that. On the sides here, the vertices are very messed up because I didn't bother adjusting them. Uh, so yeah, over here it's completely fine. Again, this is due to the mirrors. I don't know how to fix the vertices being like over here and all that. Um, but it's good enough. And this hole was a pain to make. I have not learned how to make like an actual like hole properly. So like there's no side pod hole or anything. But I did manage to do the hole in the cockpit by making loop cuts and then just moving them around. So that was pretty simple. Uh, and yeah, it took me like about 2 days, but it was fun, say the least. Alright, as you can see, there is no front wing or a rear wing. I didn't make a rear wing because I had no idea how to make one, and it was really just such a pain. I mean, I didn't know what to do, and it was just so hard. Uh, yeah, it really sucked. So I just gave up, and just made it on Roblox. Maybe one day I could with like 3 parts, but I wanted to try and minimize that. But making it on Roblox was so much easier. So yeah. So next one. Okay, so back to the tire here. Um, the reason why there are no rims is cause I tried to make a rim and it didn't. I didn't know how to do it. I tried to use the Boolean thingy modifier. Let me find the rim that I was trying to make. I think it should be this one. Okay, I cannot get the picture up on OBS, so I'll just show the picture of the rim right here. That's the rim. There we go. So I tried to make that, and it didn't work, like, at all. So I ended up just giving up and like tried putting a decal on it, but I have not done that just yet. But it looks fine, to be honest. I mean, go here, tab. Alright, I use this like pretty cool function. It was like if you, it was like a face editor that I figured out like how to do. So let me just rotate this. Use this, rotate 90. Then we'll just move this all the way over here. Oh, whoops. It's okay. We'll just leave that. I won't save the thing. So if we just grab one of these, the sides, and then just shrink it like that, and then you're gonna want to press 3 on your keyboard, and then you press one of these faces. Now this is really cool. And then press I, and boom, the thing shrinks like that. Then if you like extrude it, it becomes like this. I found how to do this by a tutorial someone made. Open this up again. Let's make extra sidewall thingy. Oops. You can put it like here, then like Control X. Let me only faces. There we go. Now that thing is gone, we can do it for this one too. You click this, I, like that, extrude it, then I again, bring this in, Control X, only faces, and boom, there you go, there is your tire. It looks like an actual tire, and it's beautiful, isn't it? Yeah, one day I will try to make a rim, like an actual rim. I have one downloaded from Google, but it won't load, so yeah, but it's still pretty cool. But I'm actually gonna show you a different model now that I tried to make. Okay, so here is the thing I tried to make. I tried to make a SF-50 private jet by Cirrus, that one with the parachute, and like, yeah, I have the blueprint, but for some reason it became this color. Let me try to fix that. Yeah, it doesn't work. It doesn't work at all, but I only managed to finish the side of it. And I guess I really cannot do anything with it now. It's just sad, but I mean, at least I got to learn how to use loop cuts and use the vertices and all that stuff. So that was really cool. Learn a lot of stuff about Blender, and yeah. All right, so this is the car. In Roblox has everything in here. Tires, I made it like concrete, cause like apparently I'm pretty sure it grips better. I'm not too sure, cause like there's a friction thingy in Roblox with the materials, if I remember correctly. We did like some experiments, right? We had a track made of plastic with concrete tires, and drove them. It was like pretty slippy. Then we had like concrete, like track and tire, very grippy. And then we had concrete and plastic, which is also not grippy at all. So we have like a mix here, asphalt, because they just added asphalt. This is concrete, so hopefully they grip better. I'm not sure. I haven't tested yet. Yeah, but this halo I did not make. It's a free model. I don't think I could make that, but maybe one day I'll try. Um, so I also did not make this suspension. So I also did not know how to make that. I just stole them from a Formula One car, a free model as well. So is the steering wheel. So that's all really, and this is the rear wing that I did not make. I did not make in Blender. I made this in Roblox, and looks pretty good, to say the least. So yeah, I also added this really cool thing, T-boxes or tether boxes in the front and rear. So when the car crashes into like one of these Tech Pro barriers, they have like damage kill blocks on them. So when you touch them, the car, it breaks. And yes, and I don't want them to like fly off somewhere. I want them to stay attached on the car like in real life. So pretty cool feature. I will actually test them right now. But there's a downside to, I think it's the tires, because when I drive it's like really wobbly. You will see it in a moment. I'm trying to fix it, and if someone can help me to fix this, uh you will I will give you a shout out maybe in my next episode, I guess. But look, it's really wobbly, and I don't know how to fix it. I added downforce to the car, and like I edited the gyro dampening, gyro thingy, whatever. There you go. There is thing breaking off. I'll try again, honestly. Yeah. Oops, that didn't work. But as you can see, the tethers are working. They're like bringing the tire back to the car, and to ensure the car doesn't actually, like, the entire chassis itself doesn't actually like fall off the car, I welded it to the tire, not to the tire, to the driver's seat, so that it does not, fall off. Okay, I have another idea. Why not we just reverse into the tire barrier? That's so smart. So yeah, rear wing breaks off, and if we use select, just bring the entire car. Oops. There you go. If like, see all that? They are all like really, they respond very well. And this one too, yep. The tires didn't break, I think. Only one of them broke, but you can see it's like really realistic, and I really like that. So I have to say, I think my first project is a success. Just need to fix this vibrating thing, and maybe I can add it to my game. Um, I really love this car. These side pods though. God damn, my camera. I wish I could have gotten these side pods done properly, but it was good enough. The front looks so good, and then you look at the back and it's horrible. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and give it a like and maybe share. I think that would be good. Maybe can motivate some people to start doing Blender if they haven't. So, thanks for watching, and bye bye.